I personally prefer the sound of the apprenticeship route because the tagline is "earn while you learn," and I think that's great. Really, you're earning money, you're in full-time employment, and you're also getting a professional qualification that you can then use in your employment, which is really, really good. I personally felt it would give me an edge over someone who's gone to university and maybe gained a bachelor's degree in accounting or finance. Basically because as the apprenticeship, being in full-time employment, I'm practically and in a fee-earning way applying the knowledge that I'm learning as part of my qualification, whereas someone with a degree will have plenty of theoretical knowledge but they won't have the practical experience to back it up. Gaining the qualification from this apprenticeship is certainly going to be very helpful. It will open the door to further professional qualifications like a chartership if you'd wish to do your CTA. This apprenticeship is the way to progress onto it. You become a chartered tax advisor. Again, learning in a practical environment is really, really helpful because when it comes to the theory side, doing your qualification, there will be things that the lecturer will say to you and you'll recognise them already. You'll have applied it in a practical sense, you'll have worked on a tax return with this particular feature already, and you'll know what they're talking about before you've been taught it. I'm looking forward to learning from the ground up. As a bit of context about myself, I've been with the firm since August, and before that I was a butcher for a good couple of years. So as such, I don't have that many relevant qualifications. Well, I don't have any relevant qualifications, but because I'm doing this through the apprenticeship route, they've basically taken me on and I'm learning everything from the ground up and they're teaching me, which is good. There are also opportunities I'm looking forward to for challenging myself with the practical work that comes with it, and you won't get these opportunities by doing a degree. You get them through doing the apprenticeship. 100% do it, absolutely. It's a really good way of gaining other qualifications, and sort of you'd be learning about how the team that you'd be moving into is working. They're open for everyone. It's not just college leavers who can go into apprenticeships. Anyone can do an apprenticeship, so go for it. OMH will have a dedicated apprenticeship manager who's very good at his job, and you'll be very supported in your learning. You have a reputable training provider through BPP. You're very, very well known in the world of professional qualifications. And the firm understands how helpful apprenticeships can be, so you'll have support from your line manager and the wider team as well. And yeah, it's a really good route for moving into another team and getting a qualification whilst you do it. So 100%, I would say go and do it if you're thinking about it.